Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo DS. To begin your gaming journey, first, gently slide a Nintendo DS game cartridge into the slot located on the console. Next, locate and press the power button, usually found on the right side, to turn on your device. Once the system boots up, use the stylus or directional pad to select your desired game from the main menu displayed on the touchscreen. The Nintendo DS offers a versatile control scheme. You'll primarily use the directional pad on the left and the four face buttons, A, B, X, and Y, on the right for most in-game movements and actions. The bottom screen is a touchscreen, best navigated with the included one stylus for precise input. Don't forget the L and R shoulder buttons, often used for camera control or special abilities, adding another layer to your gameplay. A defining feature of the Nintendo DS is its innovative dual-screen design. The top screen typically showcases the main action, providing a clear view of your game world. Meanwhile, the bottom screen serves as a dynamic touch interface, allowing for direct interaction with menus, maps, or specific game mechanics using the one stylus. This combination offers unique gameplay possibilities, from drawing to precise targeting, enhancing your overall experience. To ensure you don't lose your hard-earned progress, always remember to save your game regularly through the in-game menu options. When you're done playing, power off your Nintendo DS completely by holding the power button for a few seconds. Finally, to keep your console in top condition for years of enjoyment, store it in a protective case and keep both the system and game cartridges clean and free from dust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.